Finding jeans when you are short feels impossible. Regular jeans are too long. Petite jeans still do not fit right. You spend hours trying on jeans that bunch at your ankles or make your legs look shorter. In this video, we'll be breaking down 9 jean styles that actually work for women over 40 who are 5'4" or shorter. Number 1. Straight leg ankle jeans. These jeans are perfect for short women because the ankle length is already built in. You do not need to hem them or cuff them. They hit at exactly the right spot. The straight shape creates a clean line from hip to ankle. This makes your legs look longer and more balanced. There is no extra fabric bunching at your feet. Ankle-length jeans also show a bit of your ankle and your entire shoe. This creates visual separation between your leg and your foot, which makes your legs appear longer. Fashion experts say straight leg ankle jeans are the most universally flattering jean for petite women. They work on all body types and with all shoe styles. How to wear these? Choose ankle jeans with an inseam between 26 and 28 inches. This length works for most women between 5 feet and 5'4". Wear these jeans with any shoes. Sneakers, flats, heels, and boots all look good because the ankle length shows your shoes properly. Make sure the jeans fit well at the waist and hips. If they are too loose, they will look sloppy. If they are too tight, they will be uncomfortable. Look for jeans that sit at or above your natural waist. High-waisted or mid-rise styles create better proportions than low-rise jeans. These jeans work for casual and dressy occasions. Wear them with sneakers and a t-shirt for errands, or with heels and a blouse for dinner. Number 2. High-waisted wide-leg jeans. The high waist is the secret for petite women. When the waistband sits at your natural waist, it makes the distance from waist to feet look much longer. Wide-leg jeans balance your proportions. If you have a shorter torso, the flowing wide legs create balance. Your body does not look all torso and no legs. These jeans also hide your actual leg shape. If you feel self-conscious about your legs, wide-leg jeans skim over them without clinging. The flowing fabric creates movement when you walk. This makes you look taller and more elegant, not short and stumpy. How to wear these? Always tuck your top into high-waisted wide-leg jeans. This is the most important rule. If you leave your top untucked, you lose the leg lengthening effect. Wear fitted tops with wide-leg jeans. A tucked-in t-shirt, fitted sweater, or tucked blouse creates the best proportions. Loose tops with loose jeans make you look shapeless. Choose a length that just touches the ground when you wear heels or wedges. Or choose a cropped wide leg that stops at your ankle. Add a belt to emphasize your high waist. This draws attention to where your legs begin and makes them look longer. Avoid very long wide leg jeans that drag on the ground. Too much fabric pulling at your feet makes you look shorter and overwhelms your frame. Number 3. Mid-rise straight jeans with taper. The mid-rise is comfortable for women who find high-waisted jeans too high. It still creates decent leg length without feeling restrictive. The slight taper at the ankle creates a clean, slim line at the bottom. This makes your ankles look slimmer and more defined. These jeans are not too tight and not too loose. They hit the middle ground that works for many body types and many occasions. The taper prevents the jeans from looking too wide at the bottom. Wide bottoms can overwhelm petite frames and make feet look lost in fabric. How to wear these? Choose an inseam around 27 inches for these jeans. This length typically hits right at the ankle bone for petite women. Wear them with pointed toe flats or low heels. The tapered ankle looks especially good with shoes that have a sleek profile. Tuck in your tops or do a half tuck to show your waistline. Even with mid-rise jeans, showing your waist creates better proportions. These jeans work well for casual work settings. Pair them with a simple blouse and loafers for a polished but comfortable look. Avoid very chunky shoes with tapered jeans. The slim ankle of the jean looks best with slimmer shoe profiles. Number 4. Barrel leg cropped jeans. The cropped length is already built for shorter legs. You do not need alterations or hemming. The barrel shape creates interesting volume without being too wide or overwhelming. It adds style without adding too much fabric. These jeans work especially well if you have an hourglass or pear shape. The curved shape complements natural curves. The cropped length shows more of your lower leg and ankle. This creates the illusion of longer legs even though the jeans are shorter. How to wear these? Wear barrel leg jeans with fitted tops. A tucked-in t-shirt or a fitted sweater balances the volume of the jean legs. Choose shoes that have some height. A small heel or wedge works better with barrel leg jeans than completely flat shoes. Make sure the jeans sit at your natural waist or slightly above. This creates the best proportions with the barrel shape. The cropped length looks best when it hits mid-calf or just below. If they hit at the widest part of your calf, they can make your legs look shorter. Avoid baggy tops with barrel leg jeans. The combination of volume on top and bottom makes you look shapeless and short. Number 5. Non-stretch dark denim jeans. Non-stretch denim holds its structure better than stretchy jeans. This creates clean lines that make you look taller and slimmer. Stretchy jeans can sag and bag throughout the day. This makes them look sloppy and adds visual bulk. Non-stretch jeans stay smooth and fitted. Dark colors make you look taller and slimmer. Dark jeans create one continuous line, especially when worn with dark shoes. The stiffness of non-stretch denim also means these jeans do not cling to your body in unflattering ways. They skim your shape instead of hugging it. How to wear these? Non-stretch jeans may feel stiff at first. Give them a few wears to soften and mold to your body. Choose your true size in non-stretch denim. Do not size down thinking they will stretch. They will not stretch much. Wear dark jeans with dark shoes to create the longest possible leg line. Black jeans with black shoes or dark blue jeans with navy shoes. These jeans work for dressier occasions. Dark non-stretch denim looks more polished and put together than faded stretchy jeans. Avoid washing non-stretch jeans too often. Wash them every 5 to 10 wears to maintain the dark color and the structure. Number 6. Classic ankle-length bootcut jeans. Bootcut jeans create beautiful proportions for petite women. The fitted top part smooths your hips and thighs. The slight flare at the bottom balances your shape. The ankle length is perfect for short women. Regular bootcut jeans are often too long and drag on the ground. Ankle bootcut gives you the flattering flare without excess length. The slight flare makes your legs look longer. The flare draws the eye down and creates a long, continuous line from hip to ankle. Bootcut jeans also hide shoe height. You can wear flats or heels and the jeans still look proportional. How to wear these? The hem should hit at the top of your heel in the back. This creates the perfect length for the bootcut flare. Wear bootcut jeans with ankle boots, heeled shoes, or wedges. The flare looks best with shoes that have some height. Choose a mid to high rise in bootcut jeans. Low rise bootcut can make your legs look shorter. Tuck in your tops or wear shorter tops that end at your waist. This shows where your legs begin and creates better proportions. These jeans work with both fitted and slightly loose tops. The bootcut shape is versatile enough to balance different top styles. Number 7. HighRise Slim Straight Jeans. The HighRise creates the longest possible leg line for petite women. Starting your jeans at your natural waist makes your legs look much longer. Slim straight is more modern than skinny jeans but more flattering than wide leg jeans. It is the perfect middle ground. These jeans are slim enough to tuck into boots easily. Wide leg jeans cannot be tucked into boots, which limits styling options. The consistent width from hip to ankle creates a clean, streamlined look. There is no extra fabric anywhere to add bulk or shorten your appearance. How to wear these? Always wear high-rise jeans with tucked-in tops or crop tops. This is essential to show the high waist and create long legs. These jeans look great tucked into ankle boots or knee-high boots. The slim leg slides into boots easily. Choose an inseam around 26 to 28 inches. This length works for most petite women and hits right at the ankle. Add a belt to emphasize the high waist. This creates a clear visual marker of where your legs begin. These jeans work for casual and dressy occasions. They are versatile enough to wear with sneakers for errands or heels for dinner. Number 8. Cropped flare jeans. The cropped length is already perfect for petite women. You do not need to hem them or worry about them dragging on the ground. The flare creates a retro, stylish look without being too dramatic. The crop keeps the flare from overwhelming your frame. These jeans show your ankle and lower leg. This creates visual interest and makes your legs look longer despite the shorter length. The flare balances wider hips or fuller thighs. If you carry weight in your lower body, the flare creates better proportions. How to wear these? Wear cropped flare jeans with shoes that have some height. A wedge, block heel, or platform sneaker works well. Choose fitted tops with cropped flare jeans. Loose tops with flared jeans can make you look shapeless. Make sure the crop length hits at the slimmest part of your calf, not the widest part. The wrong length can make your legs look shorter and thicker. These jeans work best in warmer weather when showing leg is comfortable. In colder weather, they look good with ankle boots. Add simple accessories. These jeans have enough visual interest on their own, so keep everything else minimal. Number 9. Relax fit with drawstring waist. The drawstring allows you to customize the fit. You can cinch the waist tighter to create definition, or leave it loose for a relaxed look. Relaxed jeans are extremely comfortable. They do not dig in anywhere and allow complete freedom of movement. The loose fit works surprisingly well on petite women when styled correctly. The key is balancing the loose jeans with fitted pieces elsewhere. These jeans also give you the option to size up for an even more relaxed, modern look. The drawstring ensures the waist still fits properly even in a larger size. How to wear these? Always wear fitted tops with relaxed jeans. A tight t-shirt, fitted tank, or tucked-in blouse creates the necessary balance. Pull the drawstring tight to define your waist. This creates a clear separation between your top and bottom halves. Choose a length that allows you to cuff the jeans once or twice. Cuffing adds style and ensures the length works for your height. Wear these jeans with sleek, simple shoes. Chunky shoes with loose jeans can make you look overwhelmed by your clothes. These jeans work best for very casual settings. They are perfect for weekends, running errands, or relaxed social events. There you have it. 9 jean styles that actually work for petite women over 40. From straight-leg ankle jeans to relaxed drawstring styles, you have options that fit your height and create flattering proportions. Which jean style will you try first? The high-waisted wide leg or ankle boot cut? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe.